Best midsize sports sedans for 2024 Audi S7. In the landscape of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Audi S7 emerges as a formidable contender, seamlessly blending high-performance capabilities with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. As a member of Audi's esteemed S lineup, the S7 epitomizes the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences without compromising on refinement or sophistication. Under the hood of the 2024 Audi S7 resides a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, churning out an impressive 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S7 boasts remarkable acceleration and seamless power delivery. The sedan's performance credentials are underscored by its ability to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, offering an exhilarating driving experience. The S7's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's adaptive air suspension with sport tuning ensures exceptional ride comfort and responsive handling, while dynamic all-wheel steering enhances agility and stability at higher speeds. The S7 features high-performance brakes, providing precise stopping power and confidence-inspiring control. Visually, the 2024 Audi S7 exudes a sense of sporty elegance and sophistication. Its sleek exterior design features clean lines, a distinctive single-frame grille with aluminum accents, and LED headlights with dynamic turn signals. The S7 rides on 20-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional black exterior accents and sport design packages add a touch of aggressiveness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the S7 offers a luxurious and technology-rich environment. Premium materials such as Valcona leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and ambient lighting create an upscale ambience. The driver-focused cockpit features heated and ventilated sports seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and Audi's virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster. The S7 is equipped with Audi's MMI infotainment system, which includes a dual touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Audi S7. The sedan comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features provide added peace of mind and enhance overall driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi S7 sets a new standard for mid-size sports sedans, offering a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the S7 promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.